you guys, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm making some homemade chicken salad. This is my chicken breast. I boiled my chicken breast, then I put it in pieces just like this. You just tear the chicken breast until you get the consistency that you like. So actually what I did, I cooked my chicken breast last night in its seasoning. I let it cool. I put it in the refrigerator. Then I got up early this morning. Then I started to shave my meat, you guys. That's how you do it. So this is chicken breast that I did. Okay. So I'm making this for tomorrow when I get off of work. I can come home and have me something light. And of my making. Okay. So this is how you do it, guys. Then before you add your other ingredients, you can try your meat and see, is it to the seasoning of your liking? Okay. And you can add whatever you want. This is how we roll. Okay. I have to go get my relish. I forgot about that. Add a little relish. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning to this, you guys. So how are you today? How are you today? I hope it's all is well. I'm going to add a little dash. Okay. So now I'm about to put my chicken in a bowl here. Okay. Got little pieces here. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my board off. Okay. So I'm gonna add me just a few onions. I'm gonna rinse my onion. Okay. You can cut your onions how you like it, or how you don't like it, as thick as you like it, and everything. So today, guys, it's cloudy and cool. It was snowing actually, like little snow showers. Now it's just cloudy. I think all the snow is gone for the day. It's just cloudy. Cloudy. And the wind was high. I know today you needed a coat. You know, then you're going back and forth. Coat, jacket, no jacket. You know, then you stuffy. So, that sucks. So this should be ready to straighten itself out soon. As we coming upon spring. Daylight saving time, all of this stuff. Okay. So this is my onions. And I also did my eggs the night before too, you guys. Okay. So here's my onions. I'm gonna put it in here. And remember, you guys, it goes with your taste palette is. Like some people don't like onions. I do. Some people don't like eggs in their salads. I do. So. I'm gonna rinse my knife off. Dishes that I need to be. Got a lot of dishes, you guys. I gotta wash, and I'll be done with the majority of everything that I have to do for today. Okay, here's my eggs. So this is how it looks so far, you guys, with the eggs. Okay. This is my favorite mayo. This one is not open. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. You can put grapes in it, whatever you like. Ain't that what T.I. say? You can have whatever you like. Smell good, guys. And it's creamy. There's just only a little teaspoon of this left. And that's it. I'm gonna have to give me some more of this. Quick stir. Then you put it in the refrigerator. And that's it. That's good, y'all. I'll be hearing all type of noises. So what I like to do, for a crunch, I like to add me a few almonds. I love, okay. It's good. So, here's my homemade chicken salad, you guys. I hope you all can see it really well. The lighting don't do it justice.